rekindling love, unbigging your back. Sometimes you don't know how lucky you are until you see how unlucky you can be. But today we're going to be doing a vision board for 2025. I ordered a planner and my planner is not here yet. I usually start off the year with like having a planner, and I ordered it and it keeps delivering to the wrong address or it's like not coming at all. We're gonna be doing a vision board. I didn't do one last year, but I feel like I should do one this year. So I'm using ChatGPT because I've never done this before. And you could watch TikTok videos and they like show you how to do it. Some of them they said print at Staple, but this one's free because you can have it on your phone, you can have it on your computer as your backdrop. Yeah, so let's get into it. How's your year going so far? Happy New Year! So first of all, I go on ChatGPT and I already created one. This is what it looks like right now, but I'm not like this is exactly what it looks like right now, but it doesn't get into specific details. So if someone comes over and your vision board is like right there, they can see the vision, but they just don't know what it is. For it, like if you're superstitious and you feel like you don't want to share it because then it won't happen, this is for you because it doesn't get into specifics. Like you can see over here, I have like subscriber count. I know this is very ambitious. I don't care. I'm still gonna leave it there. And then you have like some graduation stuff. Since I'm in my master's program, I'm gonna graduate this year. And then you have some travel stuff, and then like you have a Bible over there because I want to pray more this year, and then some other specific stuff that I really don't want to get into. Okay. And then ChatGPT just creates it for you. First, you go on ChatGPT and you basically say, create me a vision board for 2025. And then you can add some themes and then say the spelling, divide them into themes. And then you list out your goal. Could be a fitness goal. You can put, I want to lose 10 pounds this year. I need to lose more than that, but that's neither here nor there. So fitness, and then you say, I want to lose 10 pounds. And travel, you don't have to write travel. Just say, I want to travel more. I want to travel more. I want to read more. I don't know. If your goal for next year is to get back with your ex, I'm not judging you. I'm not judging. I'm not judging. Okay, read more. Again, if your plan for next year is to get back with your ex, get back with my ex. That's not my plan. What is it? Come up with a business, spelling, in fashion. Run a marathon, and I don't know, build a house. Build a house, move out of your parents' house, save, that's important, save, and then send it. Load. It's loading very slowly. Okay, see, it divides it into fitness, travel, and then reading more, and then rekindling love. That's a nice way to put it. Business and fashion, and then it tells you exactly what type of pictures to put if you don't have an imagination like I do, or you just don't want to think about it. For fitness, it tells you like put a scale or something. For travel, put photos of your dream destination. And if you're really lazy and you want ChatGPT to do it, say, show me a sample of the above vision board. Enter. And then it's slowly loading, but it's loading. Come here often. While it's loading, don't forget to subscribe. Like, okay, it already loaded. I'll get to that later. Oh, so this is so pretty. This is very pretty. I might make this into mine, but that's not my goal. Looks so good, and you don't even have to print the pictures if you don't want to. You don't have to do it. I love it when things are just so easy. You just do this, and then copy, paste it to your computer, take a picture of it with your phone. That's one way to do it. Or you can take the ideas that ChatGPT just gave you over here. You go to Pinterest and then you just type in fitness. See, pictures of a dumbbell, somebody running, dollar signs. That could represent savings. Savings, 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 savings. And when you save those pictures on your Pinterest, then you can go to Canva. See, this is the harder version. Easier one is to just put everything on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create it for you, vision board. And then you can go to Staples and print it if you want. If you want to save money, don't do that. So you're going to go on Canva and you search vision board. Okay? See? So many options. At this point, there's no reason for you not to have a vision board. At this point, you're just being lazy. Just do it. Have I done it? No, I will. But I'm telling you to do it. We both need to do it. Let me see. This one looks aesthetic, but there's not a lot of space to put the pictures. Okay. Customize the template. I'm not a big fan of this. So you can just take the pictures from Pinterest. You can screenshot it, whatever you want to do. And then you just fill it in, and then you can put some text. I don't know. Get a big text box. Put a huge butt. No, that's not. Like, you can put measurable goals, but aim high. You never know. And be careful what you put on your vision board, because make sure you're actually ready for that to come true. Okay. Increase, let's put pray more, or go to church, and then let's turn it into a pretty color. This one's an eyesore. Colors, brown. Okay, it shows you colors are in the theme of your vision board. Bolded. I want to change the font. I think I'm gonna change it to Rubik Mono. Okay, and then you just move it to where you want it to be. You put it like right in the middle, right there. I wish I could share mine, but I'm superficial. I mean, I can't share mine because it's not done yet, and I'm superficial. And I just feel like sometimes I don't want to share things until they're done, and I'm sure that they're gonna be done for real. All right, so you just put the words there. Honestly, this one's personally, this one is just not my style. I don't like this one, probably because I didn't make it. But that's not true. But look at this. Oh shoot. Oh, never mind. Oh, look at this one. ChatGPT make it so colorful. It is so nice. Oh, if you're black, I don't know. You can do black YouTubers only in the images. That's not how you spell YouTube. But while it's loading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment one goal that you're willing to share that you really want to accomplish this year. Okay, it's still loading. I was hoping that it would finish loading while I'm talking. Okay, here you go. This is much better. Looks to you, rekindling love. Don't recommend. And then it's like just black woman. Look at her. Full afro over there. Travel more. And then it's the fitness. Globe for traveling. Rekindling love. Unbigging your back. More traveling. Growing together. I think, is that a G? Growing together, getting a home. I hope this was very easy for you. I said, honestly, I feel like I did this video for myself to push me into this hair so itchy. To push me into like making my own vision board. There's no rush. And you can do this for each month of the year. I just feel like me doing it for the year overall is like easier than doing it every single month. It just seems like a lot and it seems quite overwhelming. Okay, I hope that was easy for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Have a nice day.